Here I have Motorola Moto G41, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly, let's go to the upper bar. Here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode. It could be people, like conversations, it could be calls, it could be messages. You can also add apps to the interruptions, to the exceptions. You can add alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, and calendar events. You can set up a schedule for this mode. For example, you can select days on which it will be active, start time, end time. You can change its name too. You can also set up default duration for the Do Not Disturb mode. And you can also hide notifications. You can hide only sound notifications, or you can hide and sound and visual notifications. And here you have these custom preferences for these hiding of notifications. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.